Order muna tayo ng drinks, tsaka pizza, tsaka hotdog ni Mrs.
I know.
So, change of plan. Warner Bros. Magiging Ferrari World tayo ngayon. Kasi ito, may nakita na pala. Hindi kami in-update. Hanggang 3 PM lang pala yung Warners ngayon.
Let's
Sa ate. Wow! First ride namin ito. First ride namin, family ride. Saya.
Takot kayo? Scared?
I'm cute.
You can play the car.
Wow! Ice cream!
Yung
Pag-drive mo ako, ha?
sige.
Wow! You're driving Ferrari! My baby Jaden is driving the car. Hey, see, you drive it, drive it! There, here. Oh, they have nice car, oh, Ferrari.
Let's sit down there, okay?
Flying Aces tayo, guys. Go! Ano ate, okay ka lang? Flying Aces, let's go! Oh, grabe ang init. Naka-survive si ate sa Flying Ace. You have ice cream? Ate have ice cream too. Ano man sabi mo?
Sakto lang.
Try natin. Sasamahan ni Mami si ate. No?
Laro sa
Wow! Jason is dancing? Bago
Yeah.
mo eh.
And then you have
Wow! Let's go! Pasyal naman kami. Ano? Nag-enjoy kayo?
yeah.
Next week ulit, guys.